In this process, we remove all the remaining dry film, then etch away the unwanted copper from the panel's surface, leaving only the copper we want. This creates a functioning circuit. First, we chemically remove the remaining dry film, exposing the unwanted copper underneath. Then we use etchants to remove the unwanted copper under the removed dry film. Once the unwanted copper is gone, we need to remove the tin deposit, which protected the desired copper during the etching process. This is done using an acid solution, leaving behind the final outer layer copper circuitry. Like in previous chemical processes, we finish with rinsing and drying. It's worth noting that at this point, the PCB is fully electrically usable. During etching, tracks can sometimes be etched in areas they shouldn't be. However, based on our own demands, we don't permit the repair or welding of open circuits as it could impact reliability. To ensure quality in this step, we check with the factory to understand how they inspect the physical PCB track widths as they come off the line. Additionally, we conduct various chemical and SPC checks. Once again, we have a very critical process reliant upon chemistry, so it is very important that the factory has excellent SPC in place to control the chemistry and thus provide a reliable process with a reliable, predictable output.